This is the story of how a blues band from the Sahara Desert built their fan base through memory card sharing. No streaming, no radio, just old school file swaps across the Sahara. In West Africa, before Spotify, before YouTube, music traveled in the digital underground. People swapped MP3s through Bluetooth, SD cards, and even infrared. You'd go to a market, a taxi stand, or a tea shop, and leave with a whole new music library. And that's how people discovered the desert blues band Tinariwen, through a song landing on their phone traded between strangers. And Tinariwen isn't just a regular band. They're Tuareg musicians, part of a nomadic people that have lived in the Sahara for centuries. For generations, the Tuareg people have fought for independence, survived exile, and kept their culture and stories alive through hypnotic music. So by the time the rest of the world discovered them, they were already legends. A Grammy? Sure, but their real impact is in the dunes, where their songs still travel memory card to memory card, telling the story of the Tuareg people. No algorithms, no labels, just music passed hand to hand. Rock and roll finds a way, even in the dunes.